Hello everyone, welcome to part 45 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So from this video we are going to start working on the product images. Okay, so we can say this is the product gallery, or we can say we are going to work on product alternate images. Okay, so I want to explain you once that see, like you are checking this product, so we want to add the multiple images of this product. Okay, so for that we will make the separate section similar to like we have made this attribute section last time. So similar to this section we are going to make the separate section where we will show some product details, like this one, product name, code and color, and one we are going to show to add multiple images. We are going to add multiple images of one product. Okay, and here we are going to show the added product images. Okay, means all the images, all the alternate images, okay, of this product. So at front end I want to show that how it will look. You can open any of the website like Amazon, and you can search t-shirt here, and you can go to any t-shirt, and here you can see these are the alternate images. You can see these two images, one is the main image and this one is the alternate image. Okay, so we want to add these alternate images of every product can have alternate image, means image with the side post, image with the back post. Okay, so that the customer will able to know that about that product complete in the complete manner. Okay, so this one we are going to start working on this one. So in this video we are going to work on its table. We are going to create a product underscore images table with the help of migration, and we are going to add one dummy entry into it with the help of seeding. Okay, so in dummy entry we can put this same image itself as we are already having in our public images, product underscore images small. We are having this image, so we can keep this image as an alternate as well. Okay, we are going to add this image in product underscore images table as well. Okay, later on we are going to add from the panel itself when we will make it page. So right now for the sake of our table we are going to create the table and we'll add data into it. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we are going to run the command to create the migration file. Okay, so let's run the query. PHP Artisan make migration create we're going to create products underscore images underscore table. Okay, so this is the migration file we are going to create. PHP Artisan make migration create underscore products underscore images underscore table. It's simple, fine. So see, our migration file has been created. So I'm going to open this one. So this is the migration file that we have created. We are going to create products underscore images table. Okay, so ID and timestamp already automatically comes. Okay, so we are going to add integer type for product ID. Okay, another than product ID we are going to add string for our image that we are going to save. You can save as many images as you want of the product. And status also we are going to give, as sometime we want to disable the image for some time and want to enable as well. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to make this status. Okay, otherwise delete is always there. You can delete the image anytime when you want. Okay, like this. So these are the few columns that we want to keep in our products underscore images table. Okay, so now we are going to create this table with the help of another migration command, and that is php artisan migrate. This we just require to run php artisan migrate, and our table will get created. Okay, you can see the table has been created here. Okay, so I can go and can check the table and refresh. See, the table has been created. You can see the products underscore images table has been created. Okay, so we also require model for this table. Okay, so we will also create the model php artisan make model, and we are going to like product image products image. So this is the model name that we will make products image. Okay, so this one seems to be fine. Okay, now see, we have created the model file as well. I am going to check. Okay, so it has been created. So now we are going to insert one entry here in our product underscore images table with the help of seeding. Okay, so we can add okay, so another command we are going to run, our seeding command, seeder command we are want to run php artisan make seeder. So this command we are running because we want to create the file so that we can add our that record that we want to insert in our product underscore images table. So for that seeder file is required, and seeder file command is the same command, like syntax is almost same, just here you need to write seeder. Okay, so you will write this command like php artisan make seeder, and after that you can give any file name, and we are going to give the matching file name. We will give like products images. Okay, a table seeder dot php. Okay, so this is the seeder file name, products images table seeder dot php. So seeder created successfully, so I can open this file here. Sorry, that .php is not required, so we can remove this command. Okay, I can give the another command here. This one is not required, we can remove and can now enter again. Now I'm going to check. Now it seems to be fine, so this file we can remove. Okay, so we can delete this one from here also. Now see, our file is ready. Okay, so now we will add one entry here. First of all, we will attach our model, use app products image, and here we are going to add one record, dollar product image records, or you can simply give records, there is no issue. Okay, so here we can give it like this. Here we can give id 1, and after that product id also will be 1. Okay, and now the image name. Now this is the image name that we will keep that same image like for the blue t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to keep this image name, same image name. so that it will automatically pick this image from this folder. And also I am going to keep this image for the product ID 1, that is fine. Okay, we will check once. Okay, that is ID is fine. Okay, so see, the image name is look like this. Okay, and after that we are going to give the status as well, and status will be 1. Okay, so one image is enough. Okay, we just want to experiment with one image, and after that we just require to insert products image, insert, and dollar product image records. Okay, so we can now need to update database header file as well. This one we can comment, and another one is required, and this one we can comment. So not required now. And products images, this time this is our file name, so that is fine. And now we need to run one last command here, php artisan dbc, sorry, like this. Okay, so this is the command we want to run, and see database seeding completed successfully. And I'm going to check now. See, the entry has come up here. Okay, so we able to insert the data, and see the timestamp, the migration file. Okay, so timestamps are null, and but that we are going to insert from our pages. From next video we are going to work on that thing, view and add page we are going to make, and view page we are going to make. Okay, so such kind of page we are going to make in next video, means that identical copy of this one, and in that this information will come: product name, code, color, and main image will also come up here, and with the add image. Okay, so that thing. Okay, in the basic series as well we have done this thing. I want to show you once that how we have done in basic series. If you remember that basic series in Laravel 5.6, 5.7 and 5.8, and Laravel 6 as well, we have done already this thing, and I will show you that how it will look. And if you will run that code, so you will get idea that how we are going to do this thing. There are persons who like more this series, basic series. I don't remember. Okay, so here I want to show the products module. Okay, so here in basic series we have done like this, and this one is the view of the products. Okay, so we will make such kind of page, and here like in the similar manner I'm going to show category name, product code, and product alt images. Okay, that image is not required, and here add images, and when we can add the multiple images together, and it will be shown like this. Okay, and also we will give the delete option with every image, and this time also we are going to give disable option that is not here in basic series, but now we will also give that active inactive status for every image. If sometime you don't want to enable some of the images, that you can make them disable and enable again when you will want. Okay, so such kind of thing we are going to do in next video. We will work on these images. Okay, right now you have seen that we able to make the table for this one, and entry as well with the help of seeding. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. we will continue with product images in next video as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.